This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare tube versus solid-state amplifiers. We'll explore the fundamental differences in how these two amplifier types produce sound, delving into their core characteristics. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what defines each, helping you make an informed decision about which amplifier best suits your musical style, performance needs, and budget. Let's dive into the world of amplification. Tube amplifiers, often cherished by musicians, utilize vacuum tubes to amplify your instrument's signal, creating that distinct warm, organic tone. They are renowned for their natural compression and rich harmonic content, especially when pushed into overdrive. However, these classic amps typically demand more care, including tube replacement every 6 months to 2 years, and can be quite heavy, often weighing over 20 kilograms, making them a substantial piece of gear. Solid-state amplifiers, in contrast, employ transistors and integrated circuits for amplification, delivering a consistently clean and precise sound. They offer impressive headroom and a broad frequency response, making them incredibly versatile across many genres. These modern amps are generally more robust, significantly lighter, often under 10 kilograms, and require minimal maintenance. This makes them a highly durable and cost-effective option for many musicians seeking reliability and clarity. When choosing your amplifier, consider your musical genre. Tube amps often shine in rock and blues, while solid-state amps excel in jazz, metal, and clean tones. Evaluate your budget carefully, as tube amplifiers typically have a higher initial cost and ongoing maintenance. Finally, think about portability and durability, especially if you plan to transport your gear frequently. Your ideal amplifier will perfectly match your sound preferences, practical needs, and financial considerations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.